In this video, we are going to be analysing NRBO. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start to push more towards the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $26.25, which is not too far off from where we are now, and a level that we have already hit intraday. And we can see this is where the stock kind of kept pushing to and wasn't able to really break out of it. So really the key focus is if you were looking at this strong long bias, we want to see a break above this 26.25 and come back to retest as support and see buying pressure kind of break this $30. Then it would kind of signify that we're going to continue higher. And where would this level take us to? We would be looking at $35 as our next resistance. Taking us further would take us to around $44.50 to around $46.50. So a key area of resistance. Then if we're able to break that, we would have final levels taking us to $70.75 and a final level at $95. Obviously, a lot of these are very far off, so unless this stock has a lot of hype or for some reason it goes parabolic, those levels are quite far off. So the key focus will be, can we break back above this $26? And just by seeing how kind of hesitant it has been around this level, direction hasn't been that clear. Really, to confirm this level, we want to see a break above it, come and retest $26, and if we get new buying pressure, meaning we can kind of really just break the intraday high of around $30, then this would most likely indicate we are going to continue higher and take us to that next resistance at $35.50. Now, on the other hand, if you are more bearish on this stock and you think it's going to start falling, what are going to be key support levels? And as of right now, we are sitting very close to a support level at around $22, which is the first deviation on the 1 year chart. So really we can see this is kind of the range it is stuck in right now. It looks like we will most likely continue back to this level. So if you think it's going to continue higher, we would expect a push to this level first before at least bouncing up. Otherwise, if you think it's going to continue down or that's what you're more interested in, we want to see a break below $22, come back to retest it, and if so, and selling pressure kicks in, then we would expect a push to our next deviation level, our statistical level, and that would be $17.25. Now, if we continue to sell off even further from here, then really that next final key level we'll be paying attention to is around the 825. Now, this level will be key. It is statistical mean on the 6-month chart. But what you can also see is this is the gap fill location that was created before the stock started going quite crazy. So really this would be, if you were holding the stock short, really kind of our final target, and could be a good area if you were looking to buy this stock long. Could be an area where you maybe want to start building a long bias approach on it. But overall, I do just want to note, I do not trade this stock. I do not have any shares or options or money invested into this stock. So this analysis isn't biased in either a bullish or bearish direction, and all the levels I give you, whether you are bullish or bearish on the stock, these are just levels. If you're bullish, take note of the resistance levels, and if you're bearish, you can take more note of the support levels. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.